So this is the chance to know. You cannot expect the dog will know, the cat will know. You have got human being, you must know. The signboard keep to the left is meant for the human being. If the dog goes from right to the left, he is not to be punished because he has no knowledge. This is common sense. But you cannot neglect. You are a human being. You cannot say, I did not see the signboard, I did not know the law. Therefore, by chance I have had. No, by chance, you must be punished. This is the responsibility of Narottam Thakur therefore sings, Hari Hari Bi Phale Janam Going. I have wasted my time. How? Manusya Janam Paiya Radha Krishna Napaji. I got this human form of life, I did not know what is Radha Krishna. Janiya Suniya Vishakhayya. Knowingly I have taken poison. The human being, if he does not become Krishna conscious, that means knowingly he is taking poison and he must die. Janiya Suniya Vishakhayya. Sometimes I do not know what is poison, just a child does not know, he may take. But he will not be excused. Even a child takes poison, it does not mean the nature's law will excuse it. No. But what to speak of child? A human being, if he takes poison, janiya suniya, then what is to be? So, in the human form of life, you cannot neglect the instruction of Bhagavan. Then you will be punished. Severe punishment. Tanahang disata Quran chipami ajasandha joni.
You are showing the lower unit.
Huh?
You are showing the lower unit.
Lower? Yes, yes. Lord James means two samsara. Suppose next life I become dog, then by becoming very big scientist, big lawyer, big this and that, everything finished. But that law is not in your hand. After that, you cannot say, Mother Nature, you are giving this body, I don't like it. No. It is not in your life. It is my life. Karmana daivana krena. When you are criminal, you are under the grip of the magistrate. If he puts you in jail, you cannot say, I don't like. No, you like and you must go. Who cares for your life? Therefore, mudha, prakriti, the laws of nature, is working in its own way. Nobody can change it. But ahankara vimuratma, those who are rascals, they are thinking, I am independent, whatever I like I can do. There is no God, there is no law. Kattaham iti mannati. That should be avoided, that I am not independent. That knowledge is lacking at the present moment. Whatever I think I can do. It is private, religion is private. And big swamis are supporting. Yes, religion is a private.
It is a state.
Huh?
Religion is a private.
Whatever, these rascals say. Rascals. It is not private. No private public. It is laws of nature. You have to abide by it. The nature's law is now winter. You have to cover your body. There is no second law. That is one thing, that we are, the present defect is that every one of us, under the laws of God or nature, whatever you say, and still we are declaring independence. This is the difference. प्रकृतिस्थोपि पुरुषा प्रकृतिस्थोपि भुंगते प्रकृतिजान गुणा कारणां गुणसंग अस्या सद असत जन्म जोनि सद असत जन्म why कारणां गुणसंग is associating with a different modes of material nature, infecting, and that is the cause. One is born as demigod, one is born as dog. One is born as tree, one is born as human being. Karanam gunasanga. Therefore, we should associate with satsang. Satsanga chhari kahinu asate bilas, te karane lagila mor karma bandha phan. Because we have given up satsanga, Tattat, Krishna's sangha, we are entangled in this asatsanga. And that is the cause of my karma bandhan phan. Satsanga chhari kahinu asate bilas. I want to enjoy with asat. Asatoma, sadgama. Therefore I am entangled.
Your satsang is, continuously coming in contact with people like you, or reading the Shastras also is satsang.
Reading, by reading you cannot understand.
It's part of the satsang instead of...
Sadvijnanatham sadgurumeva vigacche, that is also beginning. In order to understand that science, you must go to Guru.
But sir, instead of reading low books, of novels, if you read Bhagavad or Bhagavad Gita, it is a sort of a satsang here. And that someday he will go to a Guru, he will find out.
If he reads Bhagavad,
he is on the
he
way
is not ordinary man.
He is on the way of.
If he reads Srimad Bhagavatam, Bhagavad Gita, he is not ordinary man.
He is a satsang.
Satang prasangad mamavi jasangviga bhavanti rittanna rasayana katha. Unless you discuss Bhagavad Gita with satsanga, devotees, it does not become realizable. Therefore he is not attached. Sadbhaga visadgajjana janasaga viprava. Another verse. Natad vachas chitta padang harer jasa praginita kari. You may read one literature, very decoratively written, very interesting. But there is no discussion about the Supreme Personality of God. Tadvacha, chitrapadam, very decorative. Natad vachas chitrapadam harer jasa praginita kari. Chit, but there is no glorification of the Lord. Tad vayasati tham. Such kind of literature is enjoyable by such persons who are like crows.
Why?
Crows.
Why?
Eh?
Why? Why are crows?
Crows, yes. Crows will never come to a nice place. They go to the filthy place where everything rubbish is thrown out. Crows will take advantage of it. Here is enjoyable. So the Vayasati. So we have been educated to become Vayasa, crows, useless black birds. There are other birds also, but these, amongst the birds, these crows are much disliked by everyone. Our present literature And taste of literature is like that. Crows. Ka, 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 ka.